Hi guys, welcome back to Beyond Me Think Beyond. In today's video, we will see how to make a party popper at your home.
The materials needed are 3-inch MTA and it's capped with a hole in the center and a lighter attached to it. Three-inch PVC pipe, 1.5-inch PVC pipe, 3-inch to 1.5-inch reducer, a body spray, silk color papers, a safety glass. To make this setup, glue all the PVC pipe together as shown. Take a sheet of paper as shown and try to keep it at the neck of the 1.5-inch PVC pipe with the help of the stick. After that, put the silk colored papers into it. The colored papers should be put only in the 1.5-inch PVC pipe. Cover it with a paper and a sellotape like this. Now remove the cap backside and spray with your body spray 2 times and close the cap. Now your party pop is ready to use. Please do it under your supervision of your parents. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year, friends.
If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.